Using Salesforce to improve account-based marketing, ABM segmenting target accounts in Salesforce. Create account lists. Use Salesforce's reporting features to create dynamic lists based on specific account criteria. For example, you can filter by industry, annual revenue, or customer lifecycle stage to narrow down the most promising accounts. Use lead scoring with Salesforce Einstein. Salesforce's AI tool, Einstein, can score accounts based on engagement, helping you prioritize leads that are most likely to convert. This data-driven insight is invaluable for focusing on high-potential accounts. Salesforce CRM and Pardot integration. If you're using Pardot, Salesforce's B2B marketing automation solution, you can further refine your segments by tracking and analyzing prospect behaviors, aligning marketing and sales for effective collaboration. Shared visibility. Salesforce lets marketing and sales access the same account data. This ensures everyone is up to date on recent interactions and activity. This transparency enables a cohesive approach to targeting and engaging accounts. Real-time notifications. Salesforce's mobile app and desktop notifications alert sales reps to any important activity from a target account. This allows them to act quickly on new leads or follow up with prospects who have recently engaged with marketing content. Tracking engagement with key decision makers. Salesforce Pardot allows you to create dynamic, personalized email campaigns, boosting engagement by sending messages that match roles and interests. Engagement history. Salesforce records every interaction with a contact, whether it's an email, call, or meeting. This makes it easy to track how engaged each decision maker is over time. Lead to account matching. This feature, in Salesforce's Pardot, links leads to their accounts. This is especially useful for B2B teams. They want to engage multiple stakeholders in each account, and they want to understand their influence on purchase decisions. Conclusion. In conclusion, Salesforce has a powerful toolkit for a successful ABM strategy. It lets you segment and target high-value accounts. You can also personalize interactions and track engagement.